I've always wanted to make an ice cream sandwich cake. Well, today's the day. Let's make it. We need to crush some Oreos to begin. I've decided to use my favorite Oreos, peanut butter Oreos. We'll need to have about 2 cups of crushed Oreos. So I'll use about half the Oreo package. In a bowl, I'll need about 2 cups of whipped topping. I'm adding about 1/2 cup of hot fudge. That's warm. Mix that together. I'm adding a small box of instant chocolate pudding mix. Stir that together for a couple minutes. Add about half those Oreos and mix them in. Now you need a box of your favorite ice cream sandwiches. I'm using the cookies and cream kind. On a foil-lined tray, I'm placing 4 side by side. Half of that chocolate cream gets spread on top. 4 more ice cream sandwiches, and the rest of that chocolate cream. The last 4 ice cream sandwiches, and then we're gonna ice it all with some whipped cream. Then sprinkle it with the remaining Oreo crumbs. Okay, so now I'm gonna freeze it for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna put a loose bit of foil on the top and freeze for an additional 3 hours. Well, okay, let's slice into this puppy. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Ice cream sandwich cake, you know. This is something I cannot wait to try. Spectacular. I just love that little pudding cream in the middle. It is so good. The Oreos work so well on it. This is a dream cake. Why does the ice cream man drive so slow? Because he's a Sunday driver.